Sunday only on MTV. My baby girl is 1 year old today, so we're getting things ready for her birthday party. And I'm really gonna try not to get frustrated with Gary.
You going back a couple pages? Yeah. What are you looking for? Oh, you almost got it. Jeez. You really threw that.
Looks good to me.
Looking at 3 pages at once, huh?
No, you were not supposed to first.
Yeah. All right.
You go get it. It's not my fault the house smells.
This one.
You want that one? I'll go back to that one. There you go.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hi.
What do you think? Yeah. You like the cop up there? You like those old cars. She likes that page. What do you think?
Hey, you got a cell phone now, so you won't eat mine no more. Look at your little dollhouse.
All right.